The biggest secret of 2025 was solved 40 years ago, and no one is talking about it. What if I told you that just a few months ago, a Nobel Prize was given for an idea so weird, people thought it was a joke? But now, that weird idea is about to make the world's fastest supercomputers look like your phone's calculator. This is the insane story of how a 40-year-old secret and AI are teaming up to change everything, forever. The big reveal: a new era of computation. You've seen all the crazy AI stuff, right? Well, you've been looking in the wrong place. The real secret isn't some new gadget or a big announcement. It's that we just crossed a crazy new line, where quantum computers are finally breaking out of the lab and coming for the real world. For years, scientists have been in a race to hit something called quantum advantage. It's basically the moment a quantum computer does something that would take our best supercomputer thousands of years to do. Think about a problem that would take the world's fastest supercomputer, El Capitan, years to solve. A quantum computer could do it in just a few hours. And we are literally on the edge of that moment right now. Teams like Google's Quantum AI are in an all-out sprint to be the first, recently demonstrating verifiable quantum advantage. This isn't a small upgrade. This changes the entire game. It's the starting gun for a new era, turning sci-fi into a real-life fact. This is the new reality of 2025. The Nobel anchor, the 40-year golden thread. But this didn't happen overnight. To understand how insane this is, we have to rewind the clock 40 years. You had these three physicists, John Clark, Michel Dvorak, and John Martinis, just messing around with circuits. And they discovered something that should be impossible. A circuit you could hold in your hand that was acting like one giant atom, doing crazy quantum stuff like teleporting through walls. For decades, everyone just thought, oh, that's cool science. No one knew what it was really for. And then boom. In 2025, it all clicks. Those same three guys just won the 2025 Nobel Prize in Physics for that discovery. Why? Because the thing they built 40 years ago is the key to every single modern quantum computer. And get this, this is the crazy part. One of the winners, John Martinis, later went on to lead the Google team that built the exact qubits that are causing this revolution, and another winner, Michel Dvorak, is now the chief scientist at Google Quantum AI. This wasn't a secret discovery. It was a 40-year-long bomb fuse, and the fuse just ran out. How it works: solving the impossible puzzle. Okay, so how does this magic box even work? Your computer, my computer, even the world's best supercomputer, thinks in ones and zeros. That's it. It's like a light switch that's either on or off. To solve a huge maze, it has to try every single path, one at a time. It's fast, but it's kind of dumb. But a quantum computer uses qubits, and a qubit is like a light switch that's on and off at the same time. I know it sounds impossible, but it's real. And it gets weirder. With something called entanglement, you can link two qubits, and whatever happens to one instantly affects the other, even if they're on opposite sides of the planet. So imagine a billion-piece puzzle. A supercomputer would try to fit every single piece, one by one. It would take forever. A quantum computer looks at all billion pieces at the same time, in every possible combination, and just shows you the finished puzzle. It's absolutely insane. That's how it can solve problems in minutes that would take a normal computer literally centuries. The convergence when quantum meets AI. Just having this much power would change the world. But that's not the real secret. The real secret of 2025 is what happens when you take this unstoppable force, and you smash it into this immovable object, artificial intelligence. This is where quantum AI is born. For years, AI has been hitting a wall. Training these huge AI models takes forever on our slow, normal computers. With a quantum computer, training an AI that takes weeks right now could be done in minutes. But wait, it gets crazier. It's a loop. The AI helps us build better quantum computers, and the better quantum computers make the AI smarter. They're not two different things anymore. They are one single, insane engine for discovery. It's the difference between giving a genius a calculator and giving them actual superpowers. We are literally at day one of this new world, and everything is about to change faster than you can imagine. If you want to know what's coming before anyone else, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because you have no idea what we're about to show you. So what? A new reality in days, not decades. So what does a ridiculously fast quantum computer actually mean for you? It means the timeline for solving humanity's biggest problems just got crushed. Challenge number 1: curing diseases. We can use this to design new medicines for things like Alzheimer's and cancer with insane accuracy. We're talking about creating life-saving drugs in weeks, not decades. Next challenge: climate change. With this, we could literally invent new materials that suck carbon out of the air, or finally crack nuclear fusion for unlimited clean energy. This is so huge that the UN literally declared 2025 the International Year of Quantum Science and Technology. This isn't sci-fi. These are real missions that we can now win. The hidden revolution: the rise of autonomous systems. But that's not even the only secret. While we were all focused on the quantum computers, AI became autonomous. The game has completely changed. We now have AI agents. These are AIs that can think for themselves, make plans, and get jobs done without you telling them every single step. AI is no longer a tool you use. It's a teammate that works with you. I'm serious. We're already seeing AIs that you can give a simple idea to, and they will build an entire app from scratch. They design it, they code it, they do everything. This isn't just about saving a few minutes. This is like hiring an entire team of geniuses that work for free. This is creating a massive gap between people. It's no longer about AI replacing you. The new rule is, a person using this new AI will replace a person who isn't. You either get on board, or you get left behind. The meta secret: the speed of convergence. And now, for the biggest secret of all. The real secret. It's not the quantum computers. It's not the smart AI. The real, mind-blowing secret of 2025 is the insane speed at which these two things are smashing together. It's an explosive chain reaction. The quantum computers give the power. The AI gives the brains. Every single time one gets better, the other one gets 1,000 times better. It's a loop of progress that is moving so fast, we can barely even measure it. Imagine a scientist with an AI partner, running on a quantum computer. They could test 1,000,000 new ideas before breakfast. That's what's happening right now. The speed of new discoveries is accelerating every single second. This is the engine that's launching us into a new chapter of history, and almost nobody sees it coming. So the big secret of 2025 isn't some new phone. It's a massive earthquake under our feet. A 40-year-old science experiment just gave us godlike power. And when you give that power to an AI, you don't just get faster answers. You start asking questions we never even dreamed of. This isn't just another tech trend, guys. This changes everything. How we solve problems, how we discover things, reality itself. The future isn't coming anymore. It's here. The biggest secret is that it already happened. The only question left is, are you ready?